Truck 3, Car 3, Engine 2, Truck 4, Rescue 4, respond to, it's possibly the intersection of Queen and Wesley, definitely on Wesley, but he was not certain of the cross section, just for house on fire. Again, for Truck 3, Car 3, Engine 2, Truck 4, Rescue 4, respond to Queen and Wesley, switch to TAC 1 for response.
Fire Control, Car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
You add a fourth unit glad as well and have enemy power and AMP assets on the way.
Yeah, we're going to have everybody on the way there. Engine 1 for Engine 1, respond to Wesley Street. It's possibly the intersection of Queen for a house fire. Again, for Engine 1, respond Wesley and Queen for a house fire. Switch to TAC 1.
Attention all, you there's smoke showing from St. George and Mount Royal.
Fire corner of Queen and Wesley, and we do have a header of smoke on approach.
10-4, copy, Car 3 responding. Heavy smoke on approach.
Fire Control, Truck 3. We've arrived on scene here. We have fully involved on the Bravo side. We're going to stretch a line. We're going to go defensive first off here. We've got some people hanging out. Going to see what they're saying. Portable 3 will have to come in.
Copy, fully involved Bravo side, stretching a line, defensive, Portable 3 has command. Cover.
Engine 2. We're on scene. Appears to be Truck 3 has caught its own water supply. We have the hydrant, Greg. We have the hydrant.
Copy that thing. Truck 4, command. Truck 4. I'll get you to stretch a line right here.
Copy, will do. Fire Control, Truck 4.
Truck 4, go ahead.
We're on scene. We're going to stretch an attack line to the Delta side.
Copy, Truck 4 on scene, stretching a line to the Delta side.
Command, copy, Car 3.
Go ahead.
10-4. I understand you have your crew. You've got a 2.5 for hitting it defensively there from the Charlie side. You've got Engine 2 establishing the water supply, and we've got Truck 4 taking Engine 3/4 to the Delta side. This is correct. You have no further needs. I'm going to take it from out here.
10-4, copy that. Water that right.
Command, water supply is established.
10-4, thank you.
All right, you're good to go, man.
1.
Go ahead.
Alpha. Attach me to that call on Queen and Wesley and just cut down on the traffic.
10-4.
Command.
2 Alpha, go.
10-4. I'll get you and your crew to get in there. We'll start on the first floor. Let's get a primary done.
10-4, we have a stop in the building up first there. We're in the process. We changed off in the building.
10-4.
Command, 3 Alpha.
3 Alpha, go ahead for command.
I spoke with an RCMP officer when we first arrived. He spoke with a couple people. They're quite confident there's no one inside.
10-4. We'll get a primary done. We'll just be extra cautious.
Okay.
Engine 1 stage.
Engine 1 stage.
And there 2 Alpha.
2 Alpha, go ahead for command.
All the windows on the first floor and doors are all boarded up.
Okay, 10-4. We can get some saws and put them to work.
Command, Portable 4.
4 Alpha, you calling command?
10-4. We're on the Charlie Delta corner. We've got an 1.5 hand line. We're knocking it down. We've got no entry point from here.
10-4. 1 Alpha, command.
Command.
Captain, if I get you come up on the Alpha side, go on deck. We'll make sure we've got the right equipment out.
Copy that. Up on deck. Alpha side.
Command 2 Alpha with priority traffic.
2 Alpha for priority traffic, go ahead.
There is no drywalls on the interior walls there. It looks under construction. No drywalls on the interior walls.
10-4. It already looks like it's made its way up. The knee wall making its way into the roof.
10-4, 2 Alpha. Screw, we're going to soften the building on the first floor, all windows and doors.
10-4. 4 Alpha command. 4 Alpha command.
4 Alpha, go.
Captain, can we have Truck 4 establish its own water supply? I see you've already got the stick in a good spot. Let's get ready to go defensive to the Alpha side here. Let's make its way up.
10-4 copy. We'll work on that right now. And also, I can confirm smoke coming out of the gable end. There's definitely fire in the attic. Command, 3 Alpha.
3 Alpha, go ahead for command.
We're on the Bravo Charlie corner. We just noticed it's very close to the structural failure here.
Say again, 3 Alpha, are you reporting structural failures on the Charlie side?
Yeah, we're very close.
10-4. Let's be mindful of our collapse zones back there.
Copy that. Command, 4 Alpha.
4 Alpha, go.
Truck 4 has its own water supply. We're going to put a stream into the 2 attic gable windows on the Alpha side.
Yeah, 10-4. 3 Alpha. Command.
Go ahead.
I'm going to have your crew come out, recycle, and face-to-face here at command. 1 Alpha command.
Go ahead, commence.
Captain, can I have you and your crew staff that 2.5 in that Bravo Charlie corner? See if we can knock Woodstep back there down.
Copy that. Alpha Charlie Bravo corner.